we're doing today?
Making mushroom compost bins and trying to get some mushrooms out of them. At the same time, using old straw and some spent up mushroom blocks, making some mushroom bins. Hopefully to get some mushrooms. Start off with lining the bottom with some straw. Getting a block of preferred mushroom, like this one. Yeah, smash that shit up. Good. And then repeat. More straw. More mushroom. Just eat it in there. It's like massaging wood.
So how long do you think it'll take to like see anything happen?
About a month, 2 months in good conditions, but because we're going in winter, it's gonna take over winter and maybe we'll see something in the spring when it gets warmer. Yeah, I'll experiment.
And where are we putting these?
The shadiest, wettest spot we can find. Under trees, in neighbors' yards, whatever is the shadiest.
Shadiest.
Yeah.
We're just gonna shake down some yard space for some mushrooms.
That's right. This both helps us get rid of the mushrooms, mushroom blocks, turn them into compost, and helps us get rid of the straw that we found in the trash that somebody was getting rid of.
And then potentially we get mushrooms. That or it just becomes more compost.
Exactly. Win-win in both situations.
Yeah.
I have an idea.
I think I see the idea. I think
there's a hole in there.
What?
What? There's a big old hole.
Oh.
Something lives there.
Oh.
I'm making a little fence for the something that lives there. Perfect. Oh God, it's like I planned this. I can even screw it together.
Plan this.
That never works out.
No, it doesn't.
Well, it almost works out.
Let's break up some marshmallows.
Yep, let's throw some marshmallows in there.
Yep, just throw them marshmallows all up in there.
Oh.
Look at it. It's so far away. Oh. This is what yard bowling looks like. Whoa, whoa. No, at least it got stopped.
I think that's enough marshmallows. Who built this? The contractor should be ashamed of himself.
It's all cheapo construction.
Anarchy Gardens, welcome to your service.
Brought to you by today's sponsor, us. This is where our sponsors would go if we had any.
But only the good kind. One that pay money, a lot of it, and are like, not shitty.
Us.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Us. Today on How Not to Make a Garden Bed, we have this beautiful box spray.
Whoa, wow, this is beautiful.
Followed by Squirrel Plateau. Do you have nuts that you'd like to eat? This is the spot. Step 1 on Do Not Make a Garden Bed this method. Find box. Step 2, break box. Step 3, come up with new plans. Step
we
4.
let nature become part of the box, and box become part of nature.
You're just gonna leave them? You're not even gonna squish them?
No, this way the mycelia stays intact, and the roots can just spread out.
One day, we're gonna look at this and go, maybe we should have broken them up when a year and a half from now, they're still
Shh! That's future surge problems, not now surge problems.
Here at Anarchy Gardens, we don't plan ahead.
We don't plan? What are you talking about? There's no ahead. No, oh, I should probably take care of this ivy. The poison ivy? I think mushrooms got this.
I will not revisit this location further.
I wasn't lying. It's like everywhere.
Here at Anarchy Gardens, we really don't plan ahead.
Well, the good thing is that now that I'm gonna come back to this spot, I'm gonna have to bring Sawza with me at one point or another and just cut the ivy. So because my attention will be brought here, the hope is I will do something about the ivy. But I haven't done anything with the mower, so...
The equivalent of putting stuff by your keys in the morning so you'll remember, and then you just don't.
Yeah, forgetting the keys and the thing.
Tell me you have ADHD without telling me you have ADHD. Today on How to Catch a Farmer. Put out bale.
A pile.
If it breaks. Where the heck is he going?
Oh my god, I hear it ripping.
Like, I
don't know.
I didn't intend
I chose the wrong
him.
spot.
I thought he was gonna put it here.
There's ivy here too. So I'm gonna put some mushrooms here so future me can deal with the ivy. And the tree.
He's not going to.
Yeah, that was great. I can do it again. Oh shit.
Dun, dun, dun.
Easy. Oh fuck. Where does it go? Somewhere in here.
Ow. Fuck. Some neglected.
Yeah.
Yep.
Easy.
We come here often, I see.
Ow. Yep, often.
Alright, we got one
That's
more.
so I can come here more often. It's like future me traps. So I can collect mushrooms and fix all of this. All right, let's go find another spot that I need to fix. Oh, I know, let's go. Get it. We're going adventuring.
We're going spelunking, boys.
I found a spot that I'm going to be visiting or need to fix. I need to fix this and come back to it later. So I'm going to put mushrooms there so I know to come back to it later.
We're moving tires.
Making garden beds out of old crap. Out of old crap. Woo! Holy shit, there's so many mushrooms here. I didn't even plant these. These are natural mushrooms. The idea is to have this kind of mushroom growth everywhere. Because, you know, they fix the soil.
I could stop so fast in this bad boy. Alright. I'm gonna help you wheel these. I lied. Woo! Ew. Meow. These are the action shots that we need.
Yeah!
It's like Sokka's boomerang. It's not the content we're filming.
Yeah, it's the filming of the content. Doesn't want to be in that spot.
Or just put it on it again.
Yep. Garden bed. This is how I kind of want the mushroom blocks to be. This is work in progress.
What's next?
This is another garden bed that we made with mushrooms and free boxes.
This is my old TV stand that I paid for.
Trash!
Right. He's like, they were just tossing it out. It's all free. No. Oh, it lived its last life. Call that shit POV. Yep.
Oh, it'll break down. Kind of like what they...
No, we squished that. Those haven't broken down. None of the ones in the yard have broken down.
But the full ones grow mushrooms better than the broken down ones.
But I see your point. Some of these are linemen.
Stomp their faces in.
You do this to break it up. The signature bear stomp.
Make sure it's all in there.
Listen, I like stepping and stuff.
Beautiful.
Ta-da! Garden beds.